FA-06, proceed on Papa in November, hold short of all runways, give way to all aircraft.
FA-06 will give all way to aircraft, hold short of all runways.
Tower Delta 2976 inside Bernie.
Delta 2976, tower caution, wake turbulence, heavy 76, shore final, wind 1006, 9 right, clear to land.
9 right, clear to land, Delta 2976.
Transport 33 heavy, right turn at the end, Romeo to the ramp, traffic 2 out.
Right turn at the end, Romeo to the ramp, Transport 33 heavy.
Delta 3054. Delta 3054.
Tower Delta 3054, vision on right.
3054, tower 9 right, clear to land, wind 0904.
Clear to land, on right Delta 3054.
Delta 2976, turn left on November.
Left November, Delta 2976.
Tower Delta 1281 coming up on Birdie for 9 right.
1281, tower 9 right, clear to land, winds 0904.
Clear to land 9 right, Delta 1281.
Welcome to Atlanta with a local time. It's 1:30 p.m. Please stay seated with your seatbelt fastened and carry your items so until the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Be careful when opening overhead bins to avoid injury from items that may have shifted during flight. And please ensure you have all of your personal belongings before deplaning. As we reach our gate, we invite you to use the fly Delta
2976, traffic's going to hold Sierra, cross 9 left, join Mike, ground point 75.
Cross 9 left to Sierra, join Mike, point 75, Delta 2976.
When assistance is available to disembark the aircraft. You may receive an email from Delta asking to share your feedback. We value your responses to improve future travel experiences. On behalf of this Atlanta-based crew, thank you for choosing Delta. We appreciate you and look forward to seeing you soon. And as we taxi to our gate, we will be arriving into A16. Get up arrival one more time, it's A16.
Delta 3054, we're left on November, head Sierra, cross 9 left, join Mike, taxi to 4, call the ramp tower, we'll see you, traffic's going to hold.
Get up to the top.
Alright, left on November, Sierra, cross 9 left, and left on Mike, Delta 34.
Just call the ramp tower, we'll see you.
Call the ramp, see ya.
And just to verify, I gave it to you, Delta 1281, 9 right, clear to land.
Ground Delta 2976 here, joining Mike for ramp 1.
Delta 2976 on the ground, Mike Lima 3 to ramp 1.
Mike Lima 3 to 1, Delta 2976.
Once again, it's 834. And if you have any checked luggage, you can claim your luggage at baggage claim number 3.
Ground Delta 1084-2 South, lift whiskey.
Outbound, stand by for a second. Blue Streak 5168, you can continue out short of 9 left at Mike 2 now. Monitor tower 2385, you'll be released.
Alright, 9 left, short of Mike 2, contact tower 12385. G'day, Blue Streak 5168.
Delta 1084, Atlanta ground, runway 9 left, Mike 2, taxi via Lima, Lima 1.
Mike 2, Lima, Lima 2, Lima 1 for 9 left, Delta 1084.
Delta 1084, monitor tower 2385, good day.
12385, Delta 1084, good day.